Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous session, you have learned how you can create and format a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Today, in this session, you will learn how to apply formula and function for carrying out calculations in the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheets program that allows you to mainly organize data and do calculations. We are using different formulas for doing calculations. In mathematics also, when you write a formula, you note down the values and the operators followed by an equal to sign. But in Microsoft Excel, formulas begin with an equal to sign. First of all, I am going to tell you about how you can calculate the total in the Microsoft Excel. As you can see here on the screen, I have already created one worksheet in which I have entered students' roll number, name, different subjects marks like English, Hindi, Maths, SST, Science. So these marks I have already entered here in my worksheet. Now I will tell you how you can find out the total of these values which you have already entered. First of all, bring your cursor in the cell H2 here. Now you have to type an equal to sign like this. When you will type an equal to sign to begin the formula, Excel will display the formula in the formula bar in the active cell. This is formula bar. Click on the first cell like this, which you want to refer in the formula. Excel inserts the cell reference into the formula like this, as I have done here. So suppose you want to calculate the sum of these values, then you have to first of all type here equal to sign, then SUM. SUM, it stands for sum. Sum means when you want to add the values, you want to find the sum of given values. Now you have to use parentheses for entering here the values, or you can apply this formula directly from the ribbon. In the editing group, there is a auto sum option. Click on it like this. As I have clicked on it, you can see a change on the screen that these values have been selected by the MS Excel by itself. After applying this formula, now press enter key. You must have seen some change here in this cell H2 that MS Excel has displayed the total of all the subjects marks here. Same way, If you want to find the total for all these students, then you can copy this formula. If you want to use the same formula in your worksheet several times, you can save your time by copying the formula. First of all, right click on it and select copy option from it. See this formula, it has been copied now. Now give the range where you want to copy this formula. As I want to copy and paste this here, see the change after applying this paste command. You can see that in the next row also Excel has calculated the sum for the next child Balkaran also. So same way you can copy this formula and you can paste it like this. So in this way, by copying a formula, you can apply same formula in your worksheet several times and it will save your time. Next, I am telling you how can you calculate the average. For this purpose, bring your mouse pointer here, click on it. Now we will apply average formula here. For this, first of all, type equal to sign, then type here average. You can directly select it from here also, otherwise you can type it also. Now you have to apply the formula average. Here you have to give the range, data range, as I am giving here. As you know that if we want to calculate average function, then first of all we have to put equal to sign. After that we have to give the range like this, as I am giving here. Now this is division sign and here we will divide this by 5. As number of subjects I have taken 5. After that you have to press. Students, now I am telling you about the average function. For this, first of all, go in the editing group. Click here on the auto sum down arrow key. From here you will find average function, click on it. Once you will click on it, it will apply the average function formula itself and it will sum the data and this average function we use for averaging the values. So now we have to press enter key like this. In this way you can calculate the average marks in the worksheet. Same way you can calculate the average for other children also, you by copying the formula like this. Here I am selecting it and going to paste it. So this formula, it has been pasted. So in this way we can calculate the average in Microsoft Excel. Now we will discuss how can we find maximum value, means highest value in the data range, by using max function in Excel. Now I am selecting next function, which is called max function. First you have to select the cell where you want the highest marks. Suppose here you want to show the highest marks in this cell. Now click on this insert function button. Now go to max option, click on it. After that press enter key. As you can see here in this worksheet that your computer, it is displaying the maximum value, means the highest value in a range. Same way, if you want to apply min function, how it is to be applied, this I am going to tell you now. Min function in Excel, it is used to display the lowest value in a range. So for this, go to auto sum option, click on down arrow. You will get all these functions. Select min function from it. Suppose you want to apply min function here, then select the cell firstly where you want to display the lowest marks. Suppose I want to display the lowest marks here. Now click on the down arrow of auto sum button. In this menu, min button, it has been displayed. Here you have to click now. After that press enter key. As you can see, now it is displaying here the lowest value in the range. So in this way, by applying formulas like sum, average, min function and max function, you can find and display the values in the MS Excel. And you can also calculate sum and average by using auto sum button and by using average function. So for today only this much. Thank you so much.